The game is about to start. Hope to see a fierce match today. Let's have a look at the lineup for both teams. The match has begun. A very timely interception. Nice block. Knocks it towards to the front. Carrying the ball forward. That was an amazing save. Good play, one-on-one. Reads the play beautifully. Keeping possession nicely. Well-timed tackle. Square pass. Square pass. Pass back. Opening phase of the game complete. Promising signs from both sides. What a chance! Just the keeper to beat! Nice block! Well-timed tackle! Nice block! Chance in the box! Score! There goes the ball. Square pass. Being behind is a big challenge for the team. Reads the play beautifully. The ball went out of bounds. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Nice one! Seeking out a passing lane. A very timely interception. Great anticipation there. The goalkeeper has done exceptionally well. Square pass. Square pass. Pushing it forward. Looking for options. Pushing it forward. Knocks it towards to the front. The game hasn't gone their way. Second half has commenced. Pushing it forward. Nice block. Through ball. Knocks it towards to the front. Square pass. Heavy shot. Crashing against the bar. Launching it long. Beautiful through ball. Knocks it towards to the front. A through ball attempt. Keeping possession. 2/3 through, players showing signs of fatigue. Breaking free. Goal! A slight wobble, but still commanding the scoreline. Do they still have a chance? Time is ticking. Reads the play beautifully. Square pass. It's in! Plenty of power on that! And the ball is in the net! Crowd would have gone crazy, and quite rightly, so what a finish that is! A reminder that no lead is entirely comfortable in this game. Nice through ball. Nice block. Knocks it towards to the front. Carrying the ball forward. Good play, one-on-one. Heavy shot. Goal! Substitution it is. Again. Threaded through. Some minutes will be added after regular time. That's a goal kick. They are making a change. Restart from the goalkeeper. Through ball. Oh, they lose possession now. Well-timed tackle. A very timely interception. Flags up, offside call straight away. It's a substitution. Taking the free kick. The referee says that is all for today. The champions not only won the final match, but also won the respect of many fans. They are just amazing!